Hi students, today's class objectives are equality of two complex numbers, inequality of complex numbers, zero complex number, addition of a complex numbers, subtraction of a complex numbers. So we are discussing these sub concepts. Get ready to listen. Okay, first one is equality of two complex numbers. When will you say two complex numbers are equal? Okay, just two complex numbers I am taking. 3 plus 4i, 6 plus 3i. Are they equal or not? Any two complex numbers are said to be equal. Their real parts must be equal and imaginary parts must be equal. Now determine it whether these two complex numbers are equal or not. Both are not equal because real parts are not same, imaginary parts are not same. So that's why these two are not equal. Now 3 minus 4i is equal to 3 plus 4i. Are these two complex numbers are equal? No, because real parts same but imaginary parts are not same. Here minus 4, RHS side is plus 4. So that's why these two complex numbers also not equal. Okay, now 6 plus 3i is equal to 6 plus 3i. Yes, definitely, because real parts are same, imaginary parts are same. So any two complex numbers are said to be equal to each other. Their real parts must be same and imaginary parts also must be same. Now one problem I am giving you, get ready to say the answer. X plus iy is equal to 7 plus 3i. What is the x value and what is the y value? These two are equal because I have given equal to symbol. So that's why definitely x value is 7 because here real part is x, here real part is 7. X equal to 7, y is equal to 3. Good. Next, inequality of complex numbers. Is 6 plus 3i greater than 6 plus 4i? Is it greater than or less than? These two are never be equal. But which one is greater and which one is smaller? So ordered property exists for real numbers but not complex numbers, because this imaginary part, which one is bigger, we couldn't say. That is the meaningless. In previous class we discussed it. Okay, in basic logic class we discussed. Okay, these two are couldn't say. So that's why if imaginary parts are exist, then you never be say the whether smaller or bigger. That is senseless and meaningless. So that's why which one is bigger? It is the meaningless because there is no ordered property in complex numbers. Very good. Next, zero complex number. Is zero complex number? Yes, definitely it is a complex number because 0 plus i0. Imaginary part 0 and real part also 0. So that's why 0 can express like this. So that's why 0 plus i0 is the zero complex number. Okay, good. Now addition of a complex numbers and subtraction of a complex numbers. How to add the complex numbers, how to subtract the complex numbers, now we will discuss. So when you will be seeing the problem, definitely you can say, just I am writing one problem. 3 plus 4i plus 7 plus 3i. How to add the two complex numbers? Complex numbers can be added by adding their real parts and imaginary parts. What are the real parts? Observe. So here 3 plus here 7. So 3 plus 7. What are the imaginary parts? Here 4, here 3. So 4 plus 3 into 1. So your answer is 10 plus 7i. So this is the addition of two complex numbers. Now one more problem I am giving you, get ready to do it. Z1, suppose Z1 is a complex number, its value is 4 plus 7i and Z2 is 3 minus 4i. Okay, then I am asking you Z1 plus Z2 equal to dash, Z1 minus Z2 equal to dash. Pause the video and try to solve it and you check my answer. Okay, see how to add it. Shall we do directly? Yes. So real parts have to add. That is the real part of Z1 plus Z2. What is it? So one step shall I write? 4 plus 7i plus 3 minus 4i. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7 plus imaginary part 7 minus 4. What is the 7 minus 4 value? 3. Okay, 3i. So 7 plus 3i is the answer. Now you do Z1 minus Z2. 4 plus 3i minus 3 minus 4i. Now add it. 4 minus 3. Real part have to subtract, and imaginary parts you have to subtract it. So see Nana here, when we are subtracting, it is 3, okay, it is minus into minus plus 4, no? Yes, very good. So 4 minus 3, 1 plus 7i. It is the subtraction of complex numbers. Okay, one more problem I am giving you, get ready to do it. If 4 plus 7i plus 3 plus 8i is equal to x plus iy, then find x value and y value. So that all concepts we discussed in one problem. What we have to do it first, we must add these two complex numbers first. After that, equate these two complex numbers. What is the simplest form of this complex number? We have to add these two. How to add it? 4 plus 3, 7. 8 plus 7, 15i. So 7 plus 15i is equal to x plus iy. What is the x value? These two are equal, no? What is the meaning of it? Real parts are equal to real parts. Imaginary parts are equal to imaginary parts. So x equal to 7, y equal to 15 are your answers. Okay, good. Next objective is multiplication of two complex numbers. Just we have taken two complex numbers, 3 plus 4i, 1 minus 3i. Now you have to multiply two complex numbers. Observe, it is binomial or not? It is binomial or not? How to multiply binomial with binomial? So same you have to do it for complex numbers also. So that's why, see, observe here. Here two terms are there, no? It is real term, it is imaginary term. So that's why you have to give second binomial to each and every term of the first binomial. So you have to distribute it. So that's why 3 into 1 minus 3i plus 4i into 1 minus 3i. So here it is the monomial and it is the binomial. Do you know monomial with binomial? How to multiply it? Using distributive law. A of b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. So it is a, it is b, it is c. Okay, na? Get ready. 3 1s are 3 minus 3 3s are 9i. Same as 4i into 1, 4i minus 4 3s are 12, I into I square. What is the I square value? Minus 1. So now you observe, my dear students, it is the real part, it is imaginary part, it is imaginary part, it is minus into minus plus 12. It is real part. So how to add the complex numbers? Real parts have to add it with real parts and imaginary parts with imaginary parts. So 3 plus 12, 15 minus 9 plus 4. What will you get? Minus 5i. So 15 minus 5i is your answer. Okay. So just you observe the question, don't see the answer, observe the question and try to do it. Here one method I have done, one more method. By using same method you have to solve this problem. Okay, smart students ఇలా చేస్తారు అవునా, ఎందుకంటే when you have observed this a plus b into a minus b, when you have seen this problem, immediately in your mind raised one formula. What is it? A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So like that, it is a, it is b, a plus b into a minus b. So formula is a square minus b square. A value is 1 and b value is I. So 1 square value 1, minus into minus plus. So 1 plus 1, 2. You got it. Okay, one more problem here. See here, two concepts covered. What is that? Multiplication, addition and equality also. Equality of complex numbers we discussed in previous lecture, no? So enjoy with this problem. Same as it is multiplication we have done, monomial with binomial. So x into 1 minus I plus iy into 1 minus I, and multiplied x into 1x, x into minus I, xi minus xi. So like that, iy into 1 iy minus y into 1 y, okay, I into I square. What is the I square value? I square value is minus 1. So that's why we kept minus 1. So minus into minus plus y. So real parts we have written here. This is x, this is plus y. So x plus y. What is the imaginary part? Iota terms are called imaginary number. So see, this is the iota part. So I you take it common, minus x plus y. So you got it. It is a real part and it is imaginary part. When will be two complex numbers are equal? When their real parts have to equal and imaginary parts also must be equal. So that's why do it now. గమనించండి, ఇక్కడ రియల్ పార్ట్స్కి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి, ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్స్కి ఈక్వల్ అయితేనే ఏమంటాం, వాటిని కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్ ఈక్వల్ అంటాం. మరి ఇక్కడ ఈక్వల్ సింబల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దట్ must be equal. So real part x plus y value is 3 and imaginary part minus x plus y equal to 4. So these are the simultaneous equations. You have known to solve it. Okay, so that's why we used elimination method. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేసాం నాన్న. So x get cancelled, y plus y 2y is equal to 3 plus 4 7. So what is the y value? 7/2. So y value is 7/2. Then substitute y in equation 1. So you will get it x value minus 1/2.